We live in a volatile environment currently, and I think there's a risk that the fundamentals are getting lost, and the fundamentals are quite encouraging. First and foremost, the data economy, the opportunity for cognitive computing, artificial intelligence. I mean, it's a tremendous opportunity for silicon, and Lam Research is one of the companies that is enabling that technology roadmap. We've grown the company for 5 successive years, and with execution to the guidance we gave yesterday, we'll have a 14% revenue growth year in calendar 18. We'll grow profits faster than revenues, and we'll generate more than $3 billion of cash from operations. So the fundamentals currently and in the long term, we think are very encouraging.
Martin, how much hangs on what Samsung does in 2019? It's become such a big driver of the chip industry overall, and there's questions what they're going to do with NAND flash memory. Will that at all alter the picture if they shift their position?
Well, you know, Samsung is clearly a significant market participant. The reality is the outlook we gave yesterday considers the total mix of inputs we have from our customers in all segments. We've characterized an expectation that the first half of calendar 19 will be stronger than the second half of calendar 18. And in that context, we've said that the logic and foundry environments particularly will lead that expansion. So I think NAND flash is down probably at the beginning of next year compared to the end of this year. So there's clearly some appropriate questions around long term, but I think, again, the fundamentals are clear. The role of data in the economy is increasing, the role of the semiconductor and silicon is increasing, and we think that's a great platform of growth and opportunity for Lam.
So Martin, just to dig into that a little bit more and sort of this idea that the fundamentals are clear, I know you just laid out the outlook there. Is it safe to say or fair to say then that customers are still bullish in terms of spending in this segment right now? And are you seeing that, or is there hesitancy, especially given the fact that we do have some of these trade wins across the globe?
I wouldn't describe hesitancy. I would say that our customers, and frankly speaking for several years now, have been very disciplined about adding capacity. Our customers make investments, adding capacity, when they have the confidence that there's demand for the chips in the industry as output from their fabs. And so that discipline is always playing out, and at various points in time, there are accelerators and there are deaccelerators in the short term, but the long term is what defines the cycle of investment in our industry.
To what extent is the 5G build-out going to perhaps provide an extra jolt of demand for the chip equipment industry as well? Should we watch at all the pace of that rollout if anybody accelerates it or pulls back? Don't expect a lot of pulling back, and read through to what demand looks like in Lam's environment?
Well, I think the platform of connectivity is fundamental to the roadmap of the tech economy. And so 5G is absolutely relevant to the future of the industry. It's not the only part of the future of the industry. I mean, cloud storage and advanced computation is as important in this ecosystem as connectivity. But the world of 5G is certainly a catalyst, and it creates opportunity for a broader set of applications and value-creating services.